Welcome to the Weck EFx Shield Fascial Closure System in-service video. This video will provide an in-depth review of the EFx Shield device components and a step-by-step instruction on how to use the EFx Shield system to help ensure clinical success. The EFx Shield system consists of the following components: a slide lock to deploy the wing shields, 2 wing shields, the exit line where the suture retriever will exit on each side from the guide channels, the base plate, 3 suture anchors, 2 on the sides and 1 at the distal tip of the device, 2 guide channels on either side of the device, 2 suture tabs to hold the suture firmly to the device. The suture retriever is designed to grab and capture suture in one step by depressing the retriever button. A reset button prepares the retriever for capture on the other side. This multi-purpose suture retriever can also be used for percutaneous suturing. To load the Weck EFx Shield device, a size 0 absorbable suture is run along the sides of the device, captured at 3 different suture anchors, 2 anchors located on either side of the base plate and 1 at the distal tip. Once the suture has been captured in those suture anchors, a slight depress on the wing shields allows for the opening of 2 suture tabs on either side of the shaft that will hold the suture firmly in place. Roll the suture into these tabs and ensure that the suture is tight around the device. The EFx Shield device is ready for use. Insert the EFx Shield device into the patient defect. Verify that the exit line is below skin level and not showing above the skin. Slide the black slide lock up all the way to deploy the wing shields. Pull up on the device to seat the wing shields against the peritoneal wall. Slide the suture retriever down one of the guide channels, making sure to apply downward pressure on the retriever so that it is flush with the base plate, plastic to plastic. Click down on the retriever button to capture the suture. Pull that suture through the guide channel. Push the black reset button on the side of the suture retriever to prepare it for suture capture, and repeat on the other side. Collapse the wing shields by sliding the black slide lock down until it clicks into place. Remove the device from the defect and tie off your suture. The Weck EFx Shield System from Teleflex. Confidence and control in closure. On the rare occurrence of a thin abdominal wall, a tilting technique may be required to achieve the necessary suture position needed to reapproximate the defect. To perform the tilt technique, the exit line is still positioned at skin level to ensure the suture retriever enters below the skin into the subcutaneous layers. With the exit line positioned appropriately, tilt the device to either side for the first suture retrieval. The angle created by the tilt will ensure proper suture position when working with thin wall patients. Repeat the tilt to the opposite side of the defect for final suture retrieval. When working with larger port sites, multiple stitches are often used to properly close the defect. The EFx Shield system allows for surgeon preference of multiple stitches to be placed in either a parallel or perpendicular pattern to effectively reapproximate the port site defect. With either multi-stitch option, the first suture is passed using the standard technique. Before tying off the first suture, re-enter the defect to position an additional suture. In this way, the first suture stays loose so the device can navigate around it. With the perpendicular stitch delivery, rotate the device 90 degrees after navigating around the first suture. Then deploy the wing shields, capture the suture, collapse, and close.